In coronavirus cases as vaccination efforts nationwide are ramping up.
I think that we are on the cusp of that fourth surge. We now have these more transmissible variants becoming dominant here in the US very quickly.
The United States is averaging at least 50,000 new cases per day, and 17 states reported an increase in new COVID cases compared to the week before. Michigan has seen nearly a 50% increase in new COVID cases since last week. Dr. Jennifer Morse, medical director of Mid-Michigan District Health Department, contributes the spike to a list of factors, including COVID fatigue, rolling back restrictions, failure to wear masks, and the variant first identified in the UK. Michigan has the second highest number of confirmed cases of the UK variant in the nation. The state is opening a mass vaccination site at Ford Field next week. In the Northeast, concerns are mounting that a variant in New York City may cause another wave of cases. Case counts are up in several states in the region, including Delaware, where new cases are up more than 50% since last week. This comes as Rhode Island, New York, and New Jersey are increasing indoor restaurant capacity and easing COVID restrictions.
My concern is that we prematurely pull back and don't give the vaccines time to continue to protect the country.
And in California, Disneyland is set to reopen with limited capacity at the end of April. The announcement comes on the heels of the WHO designating two variants of interest detected in that state.
We are in a race to stop transmission, and the emergence of variants that spread more easily has made that even more challenging.
Meanwhile, more states are announcing plans to open up vaccine eligibility to all residents over the age of 16. According to the latest CDC data, nearly 1 in 8 people in the U.S. are fully vaccinated.
We're vaccinating really fast now. We're averaging about 2.5 million shots per day. 113 million Americans have gotten at least one shot.
All right, y'all. So you heard that, right?
Sling Watch Party was made for people like Carlos and Bill and Dave and Frank. Anyone who's missing out on hanging out.
I know, we're watching live TV together from anywhere for the first time in history.
Okay, as many of you heard on that video, 17 states are reporting COVID cases are on the rise. Now, these folks are still reopening everything, and you don't realize the variants are a lot more fast moving than the first virus that hit the nation in March of 2020 when you locked down. This moves way quicker. You can open up your business today. By next week, you're going to have to shut it down. That's how fast these variants move. So, you know, we're in the midst of bad decisions like we always see throughout the century. We just see one bad decision after the next. And we're seeing a lot of bad decisions being made with COVID. They didn't even give this thing a chance to go down. They said you should go down to about 10,000 new cases a week before you start opening. And America has never reached that level at all. So I guess they're trying to play pretend on everything's getting better. Let's just open it up and let's just keep playing pretend like everything is good. But I'm telling you, it ain't going to work. What you are doing today, you think your summer's going to be better. Your summer is going to take a major nosedive. And wow, 17 states. By next week, that probably will double. So 17 states are reporting a rise in coronavirus cases as officials are racing to vaccinate individuals. Now, you know, they got the vaccines rolling here in my state, and the state is in the red. So that tells you it is bad. Now, where I am, they're saying that the UK variant is now dominating in the state of New Jersey. And parts of the north, they also got a mixture of the New York City variant. And the UK variant right now is dominating the majority of the country. And these folks have zero plan. Their only plan is, let's put on our best Oscar performance and open everything up and pretend it's all better. That's their plan. Okay, that's why they're all over the TV talking about how better things are. We're going to hit herd immunity. Let me tell you something. You are never going to hit herd immunity with COVID. With all of these different variants, that is impossible. Okay, that's impossible. You're not going to hit that. Okay, as soon as you recover from one variant, you'll get another. You can't herd immunity like that. But hey, I guess if you're desperate to stay on top, you'll want anything to work. But your 400 years that were promised to you are up. I don't know what you keep hanging on for, but you're going to have to give up your top spot whether you like it or not. But y'all, please tell me what you think about, once more, bad decisions being made and COVID soaring through the country. And I'm already hearing about cases that are happening at schools that they have reopened too. Go figure, right? Please leave your comment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit on the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next video. And one more thing, they're talking about once they open, they're not closing again. Yes, you will. You will close again. Peace, family.